welcome back to our Don't Sneeze Challenge Part 2. But it's not the Don't Sneeze Challenge, it's the Sneeze Challenge. Cause
you wrote don't.
okay, whatever, but in this version of the Sneeze Challenge, or this challenge, we will be trying our hardest to sneeze, and whoever sneezes the most wins.
Alright, so I'm using the tweezers, Maria,
Pepper.
and everything under the sun because we don't know what makes her sneeze yet. He's definitely making me sneeze. Cam has the mechanical pencil. 3, 2, 1.
Hold up. Pause.
You mean hold up? You can't pause. You can't pause. Why aren't you trying? That don't count. This sucks.
That got up my nose. I don't like that.
Cameron, make yourself sneeze.
Oh, okay.
Oh god. Oh god. Oh god.
This is such bad.
I deserve some of that. Oh, Cameron's winning. Oh god,
I'm winning.
I
I don't know
literally,
we're tied.
I sniffed pepper like a lot, and I'm still not sneezing.
It hurts.
I'm losing.
My arms.
I did it again. Move on.
Rip, move.
You move.
What's that? How many is that? 3?
I think I'm at like 3, too. I think I'm at 3.
This is really
Okay. My ribs hurt. I'm literally in pain. This isn't even funny
This
anymore.
is not working, and my
Okay.
nose really hurts right now.
Alright, you can borrow the tweezers.
At 3, you're winning.
Oh god.
Oh, Maria, what the freaking crap?
Nothing's worse.
You made me
This
stop
is-
myself.
it doesn't
with
come.
nose.
Oh, this is so much better. This is so big. My nose.
You want to borrow these? Oh,
You just shove them all the way up your nose.
oh, they're okay.
Okay.
My whole left side of my face is tingling.
My whole nose is tingling.
That was chunky. Oh my god. Okay. Cam's gonna catch up.
Oh god, the pepper.
Is it working?
Ew. Oh god.
5.
Is that really?
My nose is really hurts right now. Oh my god.
Put that
Oh my god. There's blood.
Is that blood?
There's blood.
Alright, stop
There's
shoving
blood.
stuff up your nose.
There's blood.
Oh god.
That's because Maria,
No more shoving
that's
stuff.
because Maria ran by.
Oh my.
What?
Oh, challenge over.
That's because
No.
No, that's because Maria ran by and like shoved it up my nose and it stabbed me in the nose.
Chunky. My whole left side of my face is tingling.
Yo, outside first. It's
Get a
so
napkin.
and teary.
Oh, yeah, that's because I'm crying.
I'll be back.
Alright.
Oh, my nose really hurts right now. This has gone very wrong. Like, very, very wrong. Like, very,
Oh,
very wrong.
very, very, very wrong. I don't know. I wasn't expecting it to get a bloody nose.
Okay.
Alright, I'll clean the tweezers. You gotta try these things. It's like a
Okay,
weapon
I don't know
of
how to do
sneeze
it.
destruction.
I'm so serious.
Oh, wait a minute. We were supposed to put on a timer.
Ah! Okay, I got one. This is not working for me.
Alright. Clock.
I'm
Alright.
gonna lose this challenge. I need to blow my nose. Ew, why is it so chunky?
Alright, Maria vanished, but we totally forgot to put on a timer. We were supposed to sneeze the most in an X amount of time, and we've just been sneezing with no time frame.
We should do first to 10.
First to 10. Why didn't you think of that?
Guys, there's pepper coming
Where's
out of my
the-
nose.
Where's
Number James.
Where's the tweezers?
There's pepper coming out of my nose.
Well, stop snorting pepper. Walk away for 2 seconds. You're out of control. So we discovered that we do not have a timer, or did not start a timer, and we already all started sneezing like crazy. So now it's gonna be first person to 10 sneezes is gonna be the winner, and we're going to give Maria here 3 free sneezes because she hasn't sneezed yet. But she discovered an item while we were at halftime there because of the old snot face over here. I don't know how many sneezes I had.
It's 6 or they have like 5 or 6.
All right, we'll go with 6.
Six.
We'll go with 6 because you got what, 7?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not even cool. All right, so we're gonna. Hey! All right, we give you 3 free sneezes. Now you're cheating.
I sneezed!
And now you're cheating. We already. All right.
I sneezed again!
All right. I need you to start sneezing because apparently you're 5 now.
Yeah, I'm already at 5.
All right.
Okay.
All right. Oh my God, I hate this.
6, 7, 8.
There's no way. We're about to lose. 7, 8.
9.
Oh God. No! What?
Go!
We just
Let's
lost.
go! Oh.
Wait, minus the free 3 sneezes. Keep going.
Oh no. Okay.
This is to pretend that she didn't get the free sneezes. Oh my God. Oh.
No. No, I must sneeze.
I think I ripped out all my hair.
I still won! I got it.
I'm going home. This is stupid.
You are home.
That's true. All right.
I
That's
am the sneezing
unreal.
champion.
I can't believe
I'm
it. You
so-
didn't even sneeze the last video, and now you just freaking. Achoo! I think I lost all my nose hairs in the left side of my nostril. That's why I couldn't
definitely
sneeze
got
anymore.
all the pepper out of my nose.
I'm
which
prone to
is-
sneezing now.
I think I'm crying. And now Maria's addicted to sneezing, apparently. If you walk into your house shoving something up your nose, your father's gonna kill you. One for the road. Alright guys, thank you for watching this episode. It was, I think, funner than the last one. We got a lot more sneezes out of there. And
now I finally
a
know what
surprise
makes me
winner.
sneeze.
And I think I came in last this time. And now I'm talking like I'm sick because my nose is just congested. But if you guys liked this video, please like like the video, click the like button and subscribe to the channel for maybe not another sneeze video challenge, but we'll do other challenges, other fun things that we could possibly come up with. And shout out to Super Smiling, because out of the 1,900 people that watched the last video, nobody wanted to see this more than you, so this one goes to you, buddy. Super Smiling came up with this challenge idea. He left it in the comment section below, so if anybody else has any challenge ideas that you would like to see us fulfill and make a funny video out of, or just a fun video, leave a comment below with any of your new ideas, because we would love to execute them. Thanks again for joining us on this episode, and stick around for the next one. Peace!
Peace.
Nothing.
Peace.
I'm gonna have to wipe down all my camera equipment now with alcohol.
Watch out.